June 14th is World Blood Donor Day, and Pima Medical Institute is telling us how you can get involved. Jeanette, as we know that World Blood Donor Day is June 14th, and I will say Pima Medical Institute nurses are probably the best at taking your blood, and I'll say this is a very important day, especially with the pandemic going on.
Yes, absolutely. It's very important, yes.
So let's talk about the Donor Day and how important this is.
Yeah, so it is very important. I mean, as we know, you can't manufacture blood or blood products. So it's really important that we donate blood because there's no substitute for that. So per the American Red Cross, only 38% of the population is eligible to give blood. So it's really important that those of us that are eligible do our part and play a role in donating blood.
So what does it take to give blood? What's all in it?
So essentially there's the workup before, so you want to schedule the appointment and go through general information and undergoing a basic screening. You can do that, essentially a lot of that online before you go to a blood donation center, or you can complete a lot of that as you walk up to the blood donation center as well. Once you undergo collecting some general information, then they do general screening, which consists of medical history, travel history, medication history. Then you give blood, and then afterwards you get to enjoy a snack and refreshments as you recover.
If donors are concerned about giving blood, what are some of the things they should expect from giving blood like this?
Yeah, so it's understandable right now to be concerned. I recently was able to donate blood at a donation center during the pandemic. There's a lot of really great information on the American Red Cross website, so I encourage individuals to research that. There's information related to COVID as well. But really, the American Red Cross and the donation centers are following a strict safety protocol during these times. Some of those things include wearing gloves, changing them often, disinfecting the equipment that's in use, the beds that are in use, social distancing in the donation area as well as in the recovery area, and then all workers are wearing masks, and then all donators are required to wear a face mask or covering. Screening is also happening as far as checking temperatures when you arrive at the donation center.
So, and let's remind people how important, how giving blood makes a very big impact on our community, right?
Yes, absolutely. Per the American Red Cross, someone needs blood every 2 seconds in the United States. So it's really critical, again, that we do our part. Even during this unprecedented times, surgical procedures and things like that are resuming. And so the need is still very critical, and the need's still there.
So, Jeanette, thank you very much.
Thank you.